Hi friends, after that, now I would like to upload that app into Play Store. So if you want to upload app into Play Store, here we need to click on this create application. But I'll take one of these application in edit mode, then I'll show you clearly. Why? Because once I created application here, I could not able to delete that here. So because of that, I'm taking this some of the application, which is this in a Play Store. Once I click on this, here is the options. See, once you click on the create app, it should go to the stored preferences in this store listing. In a store listing, first it will ask to add application name. Here we need to add application name and a short description. What is the description of that app? You need to write. Also, we need to write the full description, what it has internally, everything we need to write in this. Maximum we can write here 400 characters. Here max we can write 80 characters. Then after this, here we need to upload the logo, which is 512 by 512. It's a mandatory, otherwise it could not take this application. Then once it is done, here we need to upload the minimum 2 screenshots. What is your app? That screenshot, it should be either it should be for tablet, TV, whatever we have, that we need to upload here. This. Then after that, one more feature, graphic image, that is also here 1024 by 500. This is also mandatory in a size. Then after these all are the optionals you should have, we can add. And here you need to select your application as app or game, that you need to choose here. Then you need to select your category, what category your application belongs to, that you need to select in a proper way, otherwise your application may be suspended because of not matching category of your application. Because of that, must and should you need to select the mandatory of this. Then here you need to give your website. Also, you need to give your mail ID. Phone number is optional. Then here you have the submit option. Just you can save this. Once this is done, and the next step, immediately you need to go to release management. In a release management, you click on app releases. Once you click on app releases, there is a provision of upload APK. So that APK creation already we seen in our last videos. So just go through those videos for more details how to create an APK. So once you created that APK, there are different kinds of things are there. It's a pre-registration only for our internal test, and alpha, beta, production. Whatever you want, that you can choose one by one like this. So I want to create directly here into production. You can choose whatever you want. So just click on that, then click on create release. Once you click on create release, here it is asking that just click on this browse. Once you browse APK, here it shows that what is the APK size and all it shows here. Then once it is done, here just click on review. Here you can add some of the notes what there, and this just click on review. Then once it is done, then back to stored preference. In this, now we can fill this. First in this pricing and distribution. So defaultly, whatever the account we created with $25, that account as free. So you are only enable free. Then here after enable this, here it shows that publish, unpublish. If now you want to unpublish, you can unpublish. But initially when you are uploading first time, this option could not be there here. Then after this here, it's available. You can manage your countries. If you want to restrict your application any of the country, you can make as unavailable, so that your application should not be available on that particular country. Then after this here you have terms and conditions. You can accept this Google terms and conditions. Yes, export laws, you need to accept these things. Then you can save this page. After this, there is a one more option here, content rating. So here, once you click on start new questionnaires, it can ask 5 to 10 questions, in between of 5 to 10 questions, like you have any location sharing, you have, are you dealing with illegal things, is this app age restricted, like that. It can ask in between of 5 to 10 questions. Just you can answer for those questions only yes or no, but that answers should be match with your application. If not, again there is a possibility to suspend your application. Once you give that, based on that, this certificate can applicable for your, this default rating can be applicable for your application. Then this last step here is app content. Here also it is also ask few things like 4 or 5 questions, like how app access, what is the summary, it contains the ads, what are the ratings and all. It can ask here also. Just you can have yes or no submissions. So then final step, again you should go to release management. Here come to this, then again in edit, here just click on review. Once you click on review, this review button can change as start rolled out your application. Then click on start rolled out your application. Then after 6 hours your application should be in a live normal case. But right now it is taking, because of this COVID, right now it is taking 2 to 3 days to live your application in this. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe to get more updates. In our next video, we'll see how to update your application in a Play Store. That we will cover in our next video. Thank you.